this is Candace, AltCoin Buzz Ladies, and I'm going to do a quick video on what is happening in the cryptocurrency world today, technical analysis wise. So this morning we saw there was a lot of injection of billions and billions of dollars into the market capitalization. Right now it's sitting at a pretty 390 billion, and the 24-hour volume, you can see it's 14 billion total, but this morning I saw a jump. So around midnight it was at 358 billion, and we saw a steady increase of money injected into the market, and now we're sitting at a pretty 387 billion. So that's good news, right? That means that there is a lot more volume. You can see the scale up here, a lot more volume being put back into the cryptocurrency market. Let's take a look at our numbers. Bitcoin right now price is 9.6k. Ethereum 726. It's still pretty low. I would like to see that more in the thousands range. Ripple, I'd love for it to stay over $1. On Thursday, the lowest Litecoin was at was 161, and I bought more into it around 168, 170 range, and got that on the bottom dip. Right now it's holding at a good 190. Good prices that I would be more inclined to purchase would be Neo. Cardano I still think is very undervalued. Although there is no working product currently, I do believe that Cardano should be a little higher than it is. So it's a good price to buy into. Stellar is always a good pick as well. Any of these top 10 right now would be a good pick, as we're seeing more money injected into the market. Although this is not financial advice, make sure that with your investments there is credibility behind it, and you're not just buying a crap coin just to buy a crap coin. Make sure there's a working establishment behind it. Taking a look at Bitcoin on the day chart, we saw on Thursday it hit a low of 6,900. And then we saw that nice cup and handle action right here. And then kind of a small breakout around here. And the small dip as well. It hit the 9,400 and bounced off of that. And unfortunately it dipped to 8,600. But we're starting to see another cup and handle form right here. And I could expect a small dip here, and then a possible breakout here. If we look at the 4-hour chart, a nice bullish pennant is forming. So we obviously want it to push back 9,600. The next resistance would be 99.31, and then of course the ceiling would be 10.k. So after that we could see a possible run to 11.k. So let's look at the 45-minute. Lots of volume is being injected in right now. You see some nice green candles right here, and you see the push in volume here. RSI, it's almost overbought, so be careful of that. Remember, your ranges should be between 30 and 70. That's where your trading should occur. Oversold obviously means it drops below 30, and you see it on this indication as well down here. This means a lot of selling. This means there's buying. So with what happened on Thursday, we've seen a nice recovery since then. Thursday occurred here, and now we are up here. Because of the bearish trend that the cryptocurrency market is falling, I would guess that this is going to be occurring more often. An inverse head and shoulders looks something like this. So we could possibly see another dip here in the upcoming month or so, and then it be able to rebound since then. Because of all the FUD and all the news that are happening, we've seen these huge dips. If you look at here and then you look at here, you're starting to see a reversal in some sort here and here. Man, I made this super messy. So we're looking for a push past 11k. That would be the ceiling to break through. We have been holding very nicely at 9.6. We've bounced off that for a couple of days now. We dipped all the way down to 6,000 and recovered, and then we also dipped yesterday to 8.6 and then recovered as well. So the next resistance we're looking to break through is 9.9. Don't you love all my drawings right here? Basically, we need to hold above 9.9 here for it to be able to go on a bull run to pass the next resistance, which is at 10.k. So keep those numbers in mind. We did a poll recently and I asked what's the overall sentiment of the market. And the majority of you said that you're a professional holder. Congratulations, as are all of us. Remember though, you can be a holder and you can be a trader. If you have an extra bit of fiat that you're willing to inject in the market, Renee just did a really good video of how to invest $1,000 when the crypto market dips in this year. So check that video out. If you like the content we're providing, hit that subscribe button. We also have a Twitter. Follow us on the Twitter. And guys, this is just a quick update on the market and what's been happening. Not a lot of news going on over the weekend, so we'll have to see in the coming weeks. And we see Bitcoin dominance at over 40%, which is also very good to see. Stay tuned for what's going to happen, and I'm there right there with you guys. This is Candace, AltCoin Buzz Ladies. I'll see you later.